Well, not so much people are online, but this one girl called the official ldshadowlady 101, she gave me a greet. So go greet her, give her autos. She's very sweet. Okay, there we go. I gave her a gift. It was a rare. It's a rare. She's like, get ready for the lag, and then I'm like, what does she mean for lag? And I go XD, and then when she gave me the greet, this is the face I put, and went, thank you so much. She's very nice. She even got level 23. Yeah. So greet her back. She's a very precious girl. Love you. Bye, guys.
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beat like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe!